Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do 4 Dollar General makeovers using their gorgeous ornaments this year. We're just going to vamp it up a little bit and make them into such super cute farmhouse decor. Stay tuned, guys. So when I first saw these little arrow ornaments, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to make a directional sign. So I took a Dollar Tree plunger and I left it actually all together while I painted just because it was easier to hold that base. And I painted the pole black. And then I went in my stockpile and I had used this larger planter or a larger clay pot from Dollar Tree for a different project. So I decided to paint over it. That's why mine was originally white. So once it was dry, I just removed the wooden handle from the plunger. And this is where I messed up. I attached it to the clay pot first. I don't know why. Don't do this. I'm just showing you guys because I know you'll see it in the video that is already on. But yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Don't attach this first. Do all the other stuff first. So I took these 3 arrows. I cut the handle in half. And then I positioned them where I wanted them on the plunger pole. And then the first one, I tied it and then I hot glued it, but it's so much easier if you just hot glue the arrows, flip it around and tie it in a knot, and then add a little hot glue to secure that tie. I love these kind of signs with like the arrows pointing to, where different things are. And these little arrows from Dollar General are so stinking cute. And just like Dollar Tree, they're only $1 each. So once I live and learn from the first arrow I put down, I hot glued the other 2 down and then flipped it around and tied that little hanger in a knot. I wanted the hanger to still be on there because I thought it was cute and it added just some cuteness to the pole. I thought it would be cute if it looked like they were hanging. That's all. You do it any way you want. I then grabbed some buffalo check ribbon and this like ticking stripe ribbon and put the 2 together to make a big fluffy bow for the top. And you guys make your bow any way you want to. I'm not a very good bow maker, so I didn't really show you how to make one. But you all can make a bow, or you can YouTube how to make a bow. So since I tied my bow with some jute string, I used that to attach it to the plunger. Then I thought it would be cute to take some buffalo check ribbon and put it in between the gaps of the arrows, because it was all just kind of black and silver, and I thought the buffalo check ribbon really would make it pop. Plus I love adding buffalo check ribbon to almost everything. I also added some red check ribbon to the top of the pot to break up the black and to tie it in with the bow that I had on top of the hanger. And then now it's time to put it in the pot. So since my little clay pot had a hole in the bottom, I grabbed one of these like cut off logs and glued that down to the bottom. That way my pole could be hot glued to that. Now you might want to use wood glue or E6000 or super glue. For video purposes, I used hot glue. I just added some hot glue to the top of that and then I put my plunger handle on that. Then I used some floral foam around it to keep it in place. And then I just put a little bit of hot glue on top of that floral foam and added some reindeer moss. And I just think this sign is so cute. And I can't wait to add it to my Christmas decor. I absolutely fell in love with these signs at Dollar General when I saw them. There were 3 different kinds. So I'm going to do these. Actually, I'll do them 2 different ways. The first one I'm going to do on this little wooden box sign that you can get also from Dollar General. And I'm just going to paint the whole sign black. I'm going to remove that little berry and the handle from the other sign and set that aside because it was actually kind of cute and it might be able to be used for a different project. But I thought that this one would be so cute on a 3-tiered tray, or you could even put the handle back on it and use it as a Christmas ornament. That would be really cute. But I'm going to put mine on a tiered tray. So I just painted it black. I hot glued it to the front and I added a cute little bow. So simple, but it turned out so adorable. The next 2 signs I'm going to show you are these doors and the other 2 of these cute little adorable metal signs. I have one door that's white and one door that's red. So I'm going to add just that little wooden, I never know what to call these. They look like they've been chopped off of tree trunks. Let's just call them wooden discs. I'm going to hot glue that to the bottom of the door and I'm going to hot glue that little metal sign to that. Then I'm just going to add some more like little snowballs to the wreath just to give it more of a pop. And I'm also going to add on this one snowballs to where the hanger was. You could see the holes. So to make it even, I'm going to put snowballs in each corner. I just think this makes this updated and so stinking cute. And you can use this on a 3-tiered tray or a 2-tiered tray, or on your Christmas tree, or just if you have a Christmas village, this would be cute. I don't know, there's just so many ways you could decorate with this, and it was adorable as it was, but I was dying to use these metal signs, and I didn't just want to put them on the Christmas tree where they would get lost. So the next one is using the red door, and I pretty much am doing the same thing. I don't think I'm adding snowballs to that sign though, just around the wreath. But they both are adorable. I think these are just so cute. I love how that displays that metal sign that I fell in love with. And just for a couple dollars, you have an adorable either item to decorate with or to put on your Christmas tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun sharing it with you. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing. I love y'all, and I hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day. I'll see you again soon. Bye, y'all.